Hello everybody. Today we're playing Squirrel Stapler. We're going to be hunting squirrels and probably stapling them. Pretty generic, pretty smid, but you know, we're still going to play it. Why? I want a squirrel stapler. So, but this is a horror game from best of my knowledge, and I'm probably going to shit bricks at some point, most likely. What the fuck? We came here to get away from it all so that our love might blossom, but our love has not blossomed. Look at my beloved. The flies have made her ugly and rotten. I wish she was beautiful like the squirrels of the wood. Oh. And so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood. Welcome to Squirrel Stapler. The objective of this game is to staple squirrels to my dead wife. So, yeah, let's have fun. Cause so far, okay, that's interesting. Floating fucking pentagram. But so far, from my knowledge of this game, it is a really good, like, scary fucking game. Oh, in 5 days, God is coming. That's some pretty optimistic looking. Book of the Grove, chapter 4, verse 1. Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels. I don't listen. I never listen. And, you know, I think that this is going to be beneficial. Is this... You guys remember that one movie, Over the Hedge? I swear I'm about to see some white lady on the other side of this, and she's gonna, like, whiplash me. Tip of the day. Use the map default. Come back tomorrow for another tip. Where the fuck am I, though? Oh, so right there. You can't see me pointing, but right there is where we are. I bet y'all figured that out farther or closer than I have. Oh, I got a squirrel. Poison grass, do not eat. Can I eat the grass? That would actually be kind of funny if I could just eat the grass right then and there. Alright, more lore. Nutty Nate's squirrel hunting tips. Shift, run, stay low, control. Yo, I'm hearing some fucking noises. I'm ready to start blasting. Use your ears. Okay. Wait. Right mouse. That's no scope. That's the crosshairs. All right. Look, we're gonna start shooting squirrels. So here's a montage of me just absolutely. Oh, I see one. Oh. Yes. Yeah. I gotta act like a Amazonian and just like start scattering. This is the Amazon, and I'm only but a predator. But I never know I can be hunted. Where the fuck are these squirrels? You know what? Maybe hunting isn't for me. I'm not able to fucking... What the fuck are they? Okay. Your brother. Okay. So... I'm just might be the best shot of the West. Perfect. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's... I actually am confused. What is this? Oh, ammo. Okay, so there's like... That's interesting. The Lady, Part 1. Once there was a lonely artist who lived by himself in the woods, desiring to ease his loneliness. He saved his meager earnings and purchased a fine paintbrush crafted from the hair of a beautiful woman. The artist loved his paintbrush so much that he used it to paint the woman who had given her hair for its creation. As he imagined she must look, he was then informed that due to a terrible mix of the hair had actually come from a wild boar. I'll come back tomorrow for part 2. Man, I can't wait to just continue reading this. It's like every Friday night I get to hear more about this beautiful woman in boar hair. It's my favorite thing. Am I heading back home? What the fuck is that? Are those fucking monoliths? Oh. Oh shit. Squirrel fact. Squirrels can eat their body weight in food every day. That is a squirrel fact. Now I'm fucking fast! I'm fast as fuck! I don't know where the fuck any squirrels are though. Can I jump? I cannot jump. I can crouch though. Get another speed boost. Oh yeah. Any drink. I'll be chugging that shit. No, come here. It's just that good. Here, another one. Oh. Yeah. Ammo up and left. Pick bricks. There's ammo right there. Why are sounds so fucking ugly? Squirrel blind? Oh yeah. We really can see them all. Oh my, holy shit. You're actually I can see one. Holy shit. Dude, I was making fun of it. I was able to score. Hell yeah. Give me that. There are enough squirrels for today. Alright, sweet. I should head back home. Sweet. That was fucking easy. Okay. Where the fuck are we gonna be doing now? Yep. Press action default left mouse to staple your squirrels to your beloved. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, I don't like that. Ugh. Shoes. I'm snoozing it. I'm snoozing it after I just, you know, stapled the shit out of my wife. Oh. Oh, she's on a fucking pentagram. Ugh. That's some nasty shit. Is there anything new? Book of the Grove. For the bushy tail is righteous in all mother's sight, and the chattering voice divine. Should that which is divine be adhered to what which is not divine? By no means. Pray, preach Jesus. Preach Jesus. Preach Jesus. Day 2. Preach Jesus. Squirrel. Jesus. Squirrel. Jesus. What? Use the call default to track and lure big squirrels. There's a big squirrel somewhere. I want to see one. I hear you. Don't worry, I'm coming. We're gonna be all nice and we're gonna be friends. Where are you? Come out, wherever you are. There's somewhere over here. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck is that? What the fuck? What am I hearing? I got this. Gotcha. Hear me. Reload. Time to keep going. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I think that was a ghost one. Or was that a big squirrel? Oh, I think this is a big squirrel. Get up the hill, you big back. Okay, so obviously I lost it. Alright. The artist was inconsolable and spent his days weeping and taking his portrait on long walks in the rain. On one of these walks, he encountered an old woman who said, "Ah, young man, I can... young man, I can see if I reach for your despair. Come with me." For a few pennies, she said, his treasured painting could be brought to life. The artist was overjoyed and the spell was cast. Only then did he remember that he had only painted the woman from the waist up. So, like, was it only the waist? That is indeed a shack. Every day you could commit sins at the shady shack to boost your score. I committed sins. What sins? I think my brain is not able to conceive the amount of sins I probably performed in that. I kind of want that movement speed, so I'm gonna go grab this real quick, shove it up my ass, make me feel good, make me feel fast. Oh, I'm going fast. Shoved it up my ass. Gotta get these squirrels, then I'm gonna blast. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's a fucking big squirrel. Holy shit. Squirrel fact: although squirrels mostly eat nuts, seeds, and fruit, they have been known to eat insects, birds, eggs, and even animal carcasses. Ooh, they give me 1,000 points. Hell yeah. There's no more. I butchered them all. Ooh, where are you? You're playing tricks on me. What? I got one more shot. I can make this count. Oh yeah. Never missed a shot a day in my life. I am a pro at shooting squirrels. No, I just need to get one more. It should be easy squeezy lemon. Lippity. Quiddy. Liquidity. What is the liquidity of these trees? Squirrels. Come here, squirrels. See you. You don't see me though. Oh, you fucking saw me. You saw me, you little fucker. Ugh. Curse these magnet legs. You mother. See, I'm just too good at this point. No one can compare to my intelligence, my aim, and my skills. I'm just so good. On to Staple. Wife, I'm home. I'm here for you. I don't want squirrels. I want skin. Give me back my skin, or give me yours instead. I'm sorry, but no. Can't do that. You look prettier that way. That was a very nice nap. You look fancy today, honey. You got the nice glit in your eye. Rather like the righteous squirrel, the wise man stores his nuts for the proper time, but the faithless man has no nuts to store. This is a wise decree. In 5 days, God is coming. Day 3. Something was scratching at the windows last night. I should look for the tracks. Here we go. I mean, the windows look just as fucking bad as they always did. Shit. Like, something out here is hunting me? What the fuck? Be careful, large predators will investigate loud noises. Come back tomorrow for another tip. Interesting. So there's predators now. Well, joke's on them. I can never be called prey, for I have a gun. Oh. Oh my god! Oh! Nothing to worry about. That was simple and easy. Alright, let's get my daily lore about how this man is a weirdo. The newly created half-woman screamed and wailed, clawing her way in circles around the room as blood poured from the bottom of her torso and entrails flopped around in tangles. The artist sobbed and looked at the old woman who was examining the pennies he'd given her. Unfazed, she caught his gaze, shrugged, and said, "I reserve a special spell for these circumstances." She pointed to the axe mounted on the wall. And then the man made absolute amazing bowls out of the finest wood. Birchen birds. I'm not liking this. Oh. Oh? Oh! Look at that snipe! Oh, that's not one. I was about to make another one. Here. If I just sit right here. They will all come to me. Like here, I'll look behind. There should be one right there. See, he's right there. Hold on. What the fuck? Got him right in the eyes. I got another squirrel though. Time to go fast. Woo. Look, see? What did I tell you? Less than 20 seconds. Honey, I'm home. I'm gonna go check who the fuck moved you first. Honey, I'm sorry. But right, you're gone. So, my love, tell me, are you sleeping with another man? Obviously, you're sleeping with another man. You know what? You do you. I don't need you no more, Karen. I have a wonderful relationship with squirrels. And I don't need you no more. Do you understand me? What's the religion of the day? In this way, the squirrel is good, where the lobster is bad. Wherefore, squirrels may die, so that squirrels may live, just as lobsters live, so that lobsters may die. Wow. This is Shakespearean courage I'm listening to right now. I have one more day until God arrives. Remember, sometimes it's better to hide than to fight. Pussy. My bad. They'll come, Aiden. They'll come. Where are they? They got me! See, this is what happens when you're a pro skater like me. Yoink. Yoink. Yoink! Gotcha. It's in the walls now, in the concrete. Looking for my brain. It can't find it because my brain is inside my skull. It will, but it will. It will peel away skin and bone to get inside. When my brains is taken, I will come for you. I will break you open. I will take you instead. I am in the shadows now. I am seeing you cower. You are already stretched to pieces. Your head is already twisted off the spine. Guys, I just read someone's manifesto, and I honestly feel pretty fucking awkward. Double swirl. Artist lifted the axe, tears streaming down his face. The half-woman continued to scream and claw. He brought the axe down. Her left arm rolled across the floor, and still she screamed and writhed. He brought it down again, separating her skull into two parts, and somehow still she screamed. Again the axe came down, and again, and again, and again, until she screamed no more. Wow. Hey. I'll read that, though. That's a pretty... I mean, I'm not a big fan of Twilight, but, like, you know, I know some people are. Because, like, werewolf on werewolf? Vampire on vampire? Werewolf on vampire? BAM! Now I will head back home. After I take another chug out of my monster. Just wait up, guys. Hold up one more minute. Whoa! Please. Well, guys, tomorrow I'm gonna meet God, my wonderful wife, my cheating whore of a wife is now gone. Don't worry, baby. Okay. Alright, guys. Time for some action. God is coming today. Today is the day. Night's the night. Okay. Good luck. My favorite. The artist's ears rang as he turned to the old woman and said, "What is this unspeakable horror that you have brought me? How can I ever escape what has been done here? What penny spell can you cast to conjure good from this?" And the old woman examined the bloody mess and said, "Well, young man, this will make a mighty fine stew." And so they made a stew from the remains, but it was poison. And then they both died. Art will eventually destroy the artist. The end. Wow. I wonder what lesson I can take from this. The big squirrel. I got you. Now I just need to get 2 more squirrels. I'm just stupid. Oh. I must prepare to meet God. I'm gonna go straight to my house. I'm scared. God is coming. I don't know what to do right now. The noise! They're singing! They're singing, God is coming. Oh. Well, what do I do? Dude, I gotta keep at least one last bullet. That was Squirrel Stapler. I hope you enjoyed the game.